Tired of working but still broke? Scared of investing because you don't want to lose your money? If nobody ever taught you how money really works in Uganda, this video might be the most important one you watch this year. Let me show you how to start investing the right way, even if your earnings are small. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Beck Brilliant Finance. Here we talk about money, mindset, and building a peaceful financial future. If you're new here, I'm Becky, and here we learn how to grow money without stress, without scam, and without confusion. And today we are starting a very powerful investment series. We are going to talk about anything you've ever want to know about investing in Uganda. This is part 1, investing for beginners in Uganda. Before you buy stocks, unit trust, Treasury Bills, Treasury Bonds, or something else, you must have this understanding. Most people lose money not because investing is bad. They lose money because they start without understanding. Have you ever asked yourself why most Ugandans fear investing? Let me be honest with you. Most of us grew up hearing things like this. Investing is for rich people. 2, you're going to get scammed. 3, you're going to lose your money. So what do? We keep our money in savings accounts, or we keep it in mobile money, or even we spend everything. And here is the truth. If we just save the money, it means we are protecting money. Saving protects money. Investing grows money. But when all you do is to save, inflation slowly eats it. So you may be asking, what investing really means? Let me simplify this. Investing means putting your money into something to make money for you. Investing is not gambling. It's not guessing. You're making money to work for you, not working for labor. In Uganda, investing includes things like Treasury Bills, Treasury Bonds, unit trust, real estate, cryptocurrency, and businesses. Before you touch any of this, you must understand the rules of money. This is what to know before you start investing. 1. Financial literacy. Before you invest even if 1 shilling, you must understand how money really works, how interest grows, how inflation reduces value, and how investments earn. Because if you invest in something you don't know how it earns, you will never understand it. Remember, money rewards knowledge and punishes ignorance. 2. Budget. Your budget decides how much you can invest. If you don't control your spendings, no investment will ever do. Investing only works when it comes from money you can afford to lose. I'm not meaning that you are going to lose your money, but there is no any investment without risk. So when you budget for it and you know that you can afford to lose it, it is easy for you to invest. 3. Financial goals. You don't invest just to invest. You invest for a reason. Is it school fees? Or you want freedom? Is it retirement? Your goal tells you where your money should go. 4. Time horizon. How long you can leave your money unattached is one of the most important things in investing. Money you need in 1 year shouldn't be in 10-year investment. 5. Risk tolerance. Every investment has a risk, but risk is not enemy. Not understanding what you're doing is. You must know how much movement you can easily handle without panicking. 6. Diversification. We always hear, never put all your eggs in one basket. The same applies here. Never invest all your money in one place. Smart investors spread their money on different investments. In case of one loss, cannot destroy them all. 7. Tax implications. Not understanding tax impact can make you look at investment as if it is complicated because you will never understand your returns. When you understand taxes very well, you will know better your returns. 8. Regulations and safety. In Uganda, real investments are regulated by Capital Market Authority. If it's not regulated, your money is not protected. Now that you understand the foundation, let me show you what Ugandans actually invest in. 1. Ugandans invest in Treasury Bills and Treasury Bonds. What are Treasury Bills and Treasury Bonds? This is like loaning your money to the government. They are low risk, predictable, and good for beginners. 2. Unit trust. Professionals invest for you in things like money market, treasury bonds, and stock. 3. Stock market. You own part of companies. It has higher risk, higher returns. Not for beginners without education. 4. Real estate. Land and rentals are so popular in Uganda for long-term wealthy. 5. Agriculture, Uganda's backbone, from farming to agribusiness. It creates really long-term income. It would be yesterday, but start today to invest. Start small, but grow consistently. You don't need millions to start investing in Uganda. What you need is discipline, patience, and consistency. Now that you have all information on how to invest in Uganda, you need to stay informed. The market for investing in Uganda is continuously evolving. Staying informed about economic trends, new opportunities, and industrial developments is crucial for everyone who is serious about successful investing in Uganda. Now you have all the foundation of investing in Uganda. In part 2, I'm going to clear the biggest confusion in Uganda: Treasury Bills, Treasury Bonds, and Unit Trust. Which one is the best for beginner? Most people end up mixing all of them and they end up losing money. You don't have to miss this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends who may need to hear more about investing. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss my next videos. This is Becky. All the best. Bye-bye.